All right, you guys, let's talk. You guys are now in second grade. You have been writing sentences for years now. But you know what? Sometimes I'm still getting these boring sentences. So we're about to make a list of no way you should start a sentence. Okay? I don't want to see. You ready for this? I don't want to see. I like, No. I don't want to see. I see, I don't want to see. I can, And you know what else I don't want to see? I don't want to see you start a sentence with and. None of this. I'm going to turn it red. No, we are not going to start our sentences like this. This is how you started your sentences when you were in kindergarten. We're not in kindergarten. We have so many other words we can use. Instead of I see, you could change it to I observed. Instead of I can, you can say I jump. Instead of I like, you could say I enjoy. And you're just not going to start with and. There are so many other words you could start a sentence with. So let's go over again. No, I like. No, I see. No, I can. Think of better words that you could use instead of those simple kindergarten words. And of course, no and.